Hello YouTube, Dion from Tech with the unboxing of Microphone Studio Pro by Tracer. This packs a lot of accessories like a stand, a pop filter, and most important, this is a condenser microphone that seems to have some fairly good specs, and it comes at a price so aggressive that I would expect only for one of these accessories to cost that much. Now, this microphone might be a really good solution and might appeal to those who want to start their own podcast, but they don't want to spend a lot of money on it. Still, this microphone is connected with a mini jack connector to your PC, and it can be routed through this microphone arm stand. There are also some extra features, like this is a flexible stand, and the microphone seems to have some noise reduction feature, and the sensitivity and frequency seems quite nice for the price. Now, this accessories packed product seems to be ideal also for home and office usage, and you can also visit the Tracer website for more information. And what I found really interesting is this shock mount solution that comes with a really nice microphone. So without further ado, let's check out this product really close after we unbox it and check out its value, and I hope the build quality won't be an unpleasant surprise. So by opening the box, here we have some protective foam, and here we have all the accessories. Here is a manual we have in lots of languages. Okay, this is how you mount the shock resistant mount on the microphone arm. So I think before assembling this one, you should just have a look at the manual. It's a really short one. So here we have all the accessories and some technical specification of the mic. Now this is a nice user's manual. Now here we have the pop filter with a typical foam here. This is a really nice build quality. And here we have, okay, this I wasn't expecting to see here. And here we have the screw that adapts to the whole microphone arm. That seems to tighten at a certain spot on the metallic arm. So this is the protective foam of the microphone. This one is quite unfortunate. I don't really like the packaging here. Now on the plus side, there seems to be an adapter. This can be connected to your smartphone and gives you one audio and one microphone port. That's a really nice addition. And as far as cables go, okay, here we have a really long cable. There's a 3.5mm audio jack and what seems to be an Xlr connector. This is for professional microphones, some sort. Either way, this is a really nice one. I can see there's a really long cable. It can also double as an adapter for another microphone if you have one. Still a really nice addition. Now, as every packaging, the essential silica gel included here. And okay, now here we have on this package here the adjustable table clamp for connecting with the microphone arm. Here it is connected with the arm, and we also have some screws to tighten up or loosen the stand. That's a really nice addition here, a really clever design. And I guess it will fit to most tables. Now here we have the most professional looking accessory of this microphone set, and that is the shock mount for our microphone. And oops, this is another silica gel bag. Okay, here it is, and it seems we have another silica gel here. Now this is the microphone shock mount that is adjusted on the microphone arm. It is adjustable. This part here connects to the microphone arm, and here it seems to be mounted with a microphone that we'll check out right away. So here it is. This has a more professional look, but reminds a cardioid microphone. Here we have the serial number. Here is the connector. This is a professional analog connector. Honestly, the build quality is quite reasonable, and from a distance I would think this is a professional microphone. And this can be attached to the shock mount like it's so. As you can see, the whole package gives a studio look, and we can also attach the microphone foam. Honestly, this seems to be really ergonomic and quite studio-like too. And here we have it. Now, this really seems like a professional microphone to me, although you can never tell if that cost almost the same as a table PC microphone. And still we have the microphone arm and nothing else in the box. Okay, here we have it. I'm quite impressed. This is a metal build. Let us unpack this one. Okay, here we have the joints. There are 2 springs and another pair of springs near the base to widen the microphone stand and ergonomic adjust it to your table by using this table clamp. Okay, this screw's gotten loose. Okay, here we have it again, and it seems that the microphone shock mount can be connected with a screw on the other side. At this point I should mention that the springs are helping to make these 2 pieces of microphone arm to gather up like it's so and save some space. It also gives a 360 degrees rotation, and the microphone can be screwed at this point with this special screw, and we shall put that there and turn it around. Now the microphone shock mount is tightened with another screw at this point and fastened to place, while the microphone and microphone shock mount seem to have an up and downwards position management here with that fastening screw, which is quite nice. These are all ergonomic adjustments that I always want to have with a microphone of that type. Now at this point we can also connect the pop filter. We're using this screw here to fasten it to place. It seems to be also adjusted to your preference and your table arrangement. Now this seems to be quite difficult to manage at first. There's needed some more effort to mount it on your table and get it around. And tightening the pop filter seems also a bit frustrating, but it's for the best. And it's also adjustable to your liking, so I cannot be salty at this point. And here we have it, like it's so. And now let's connect the Xlr cable that ends to the audio jack for your PC. There is a locking mechanism here on these cables, and the other end there is a 3.5mm audio jack, and here it is. We should mention that this is a quite tall microphone arm and a lot of adjustments have to be made. Overall, I believe that you get a lot for what you pay for, and still this can be a transitional purchase since you can buy something better in the future and still use the pop filter and the microphone stand. Plus you can use it with this adapter with your smartphone, and there you have it. So this was the Tracer Studio Pro microphone. Feel free to leave us a comment and give us your opinion about the product like this. As always, leave us a like, subscribe, and from M.A.D, thank you for watching.